Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Egg Tortilla Boats. Take stand and stuff tortilla boats. Arrange boats one by one on baking tray. Put some spinach leaves on each boat. Crack one egg in each boat. Adjust the egg as shown. Put some cheddar cheese slice pieces. Repeat same for all. Put some chopped tomatoes. Put some pecorino feta cheese. Season it with black peppercorns. Sprinkle some salt. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Sprinkle some dried basil leaves. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until egg yolks are lightly set. Our delicious breakfast egg tortilla taco boats are ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in comment section. Perfect runny egg yolk oozing out. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.